Today I'm going to show you how to invite a collaborator to your Wix website. This is incredibly useful when you're working with team members, designers, or clients who need access to help manage or edit your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear showing you all the sites connected to your account. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This step is important because you want to make sure that this is the correct website you wish to invite a collaborator to. If you manage multiple sites, double-checking now will save you from having to redo this process later. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. Click on it to move forward. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to building and customizing your site. From here, start by locating the site settings from the top menu of your Wix website editor and click on it. This opens up a range of options that control how your site functions and who has access to it. From the options that appear, select Roles and Permissions. A Roles and Permissions dashboard will appear, and this is where you manage who can access your site and what they're allowed to do. On the top right part of your screen, you'll see the Invite Collaborators button. Click on it to start the collaborator invitation process. Now you're in the invitation setup. Start by entering the email address of the collaborator you wish to invite. Make sure the email is correct, as this is where the invitation will be sent. Then, scroll down to assign a role for this collaborator by clicking on the appropriate checkbox. Wix offers different roles depending on what level of access you want to grant, whether it's full editing rights or just viewing permissions. Once everything is filled in and you're satisfied with the role you've assigned, simply click on Send Invite. And that's it. Your collaborator will receive an email invitation and can start working on your site once they accept. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.